Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I feel like a lumberjack. We've got my FabFitFun second annual box. My annual box that is the second I have received this season. All new goodies, so let's get into it and check it out. If you are new to FabFitFun, it is a lifestyle box that comes out 4 times a year. I am a FabFitFun partner now. I bought this box with my own money. I have 2 annual boxes that I purchase with my own monies. I thought it was so great this season. I got to do all 3 of my boxes. I have no repeats. Everything was for me. Sometimes in that 3rd box, I'll pick up things for my daughter or my mother because there's not necessarily something I love for my 3rd choice in that subscription. And this season, all 3 boxes, it was easy peasy to pick all different items. Because I am a FabFitFun partner, I have links and codes. I will put them below. But basically, if you sign up as a seasonal, it is $69.99 per season. And I have a 20% discount code off your first box. If you sign up as an annual, it is $219.99 up front, but that works out to about $55 a box, which is a great deal. Plus, you will get a gift valued at more than $200 when you sign up. Let's get in here. That's what it looks like when we sneaky peek. I am not going to go over all of the choices that you could have made in each of the customizations. Some of them had 10 and 11 this season. You don't want to sit here with me and go over all of that. I will, however, link a spoiler video that we did that went over everything available in every possible customization or category. I will also link the other 2 boxes I've already unboxed because they are both completely different from this one. We have our paperwork, which is a Happy Holidays from Katie and the team, and then that's Katie and the team. We have our scratch, and then check online. I did not win, you might have guessed, because I'm still here. And if I had won $3,000 in Caraway, I would have left town with my prize money. And then we have our HelloFresh 12 free meals plus 3 surprise gifts. And I had completely forgotten until I just pulled it out of there. I have the small mystery bundle. I want to say that it was $19.99, but it's gone up to $24.99. But we'll get into that in a minute. Okay. Customization 1, I chose in this box the Kate Spade belt. I am sure I ordered the 1X, 2X. It is just a nice black leather belt. A pretty buckle. It's a really nice size. It's wide without being too wide. It's never, let me just wrap it around my waist and see how we're doing when we're sitting. Oh yeah, this is it way up here. She is more than big enough. Yeah, that's cute. That will be cute with a pair of jeans or if you have a little dress. Some of the Bloom Chic dresses that I order, they're an elastic waist, but it's not a wide elastic. It's a narrow elastic, just real thin. So this could go around my waist where that is. That would be perfect. This had a $58 value, so basically almost the cost of your box right there. Also, I got one of these in this box too. Last season I got it in none of my boxes, and this season I got it in both of my boxes. This is the turmeric milk and lemon drop. I think that this is the one that I got in my Allure box, and I used it. It's gone. Yeah, I think that's the same scent. These are really nice. I got the berry one in the first box that I opened last week. This smells good too though. This is a glow booster. So the other one was moisturizing. So I'm happy to try it. I love soaps and I love it when they're not like an Irish Spring or something that's really gonna dry you. So that's perfect. Customization 2, I chose the cookbook holder because if you guys know, if you watched my other videos, and I will again link them, I chose the cookbook. So I thought that it just made complete sense to choose the cookbook holder. Uh-oh, it's in parts. I feel like I can work this out. It looks like you just, yeah. Oh yeah. Basically, is that right? Oh yeah, because then it'll sit like that. I was like, that's very erect, but it will in theory sit like that. I just thought it would be really nice to keep whichever book I'm working with at the time, or I have books of my own that I write my own recipes in. It'll be perfect for that. I'm going to try and make this work on my kitchen counter. You guys have seen me do a couple of cooking videos. I do not have a very large kitchen. But if I can make this work, I want to. I am going to work with the one that we just got in our last, the Rock Your Body. Seriously Good is the name of that cookbook. I'm going to work with that one. And I have, and she's just come out with a new one, Half-Baked Harvest. My daughter got me her cookbook last Christmas. That was the latest cookbook out. And I love it. She has great recipes. She has a way with flavors that I just love. And she's coming out with a new one, so I might go to that, but look, I built it. I built with my own 2 hands. All right, so that was my choice in customization 2, and it had a $31.50 value. Ooh. Well, I just thought I'd put the belt over here and it has wreaked total destruction, but it's fine. It's fine. Customization 3, I went with the Anastasia brow pen. What color did I decide on? Soft brown. I really wavered back and forth between soft brown and medium brown. I couldn't decide. One of you guys told me that her colors tended to be warm. And once you said that, I thought, you know what, I should go with the lighter of the 2 colors. Oh, well, that's nice. I was worried it would be wetter than that. And it goes on really nicely. I like that a lot. And looking at that on there, although my eyebrows are a little bit darker, I'm not looking to make them, I just want to kind of fill in the parts that are missing. So, oh, I'm sure I was supposed to shake that first. So that is perfect. The beauty of this is we had like 5 color choices, from soft brown to ebony, taupe, and not even soft brown, I think from taupe to ebony. There were great choices. It had a $22 value. Oh, it's a pretty good choice. Like it's a cookbook. Customization 4, I chose the static nails. It was a polish that is sweater weather and a top coat. I don't need a top coat. I have a top coat that I love. I use a Ipsy top coat that goes on and makes your nails almost look like you have a gel polish when you haven't. I'll link that down below in case anybody has any interest. So I will just tuck that somewhere in case somebody needs a top coat. But yeah, it kind of matches my lips. You don't see my nails. I loved that color. It looked so like me. And I was like, I want that color. So I picked the set in this box just to have the color. Oh yay, it is a full-sized. I worried a little bit when I opened this because I didn't know it was going to be so small, but it is a full width. It is kind of short, but is a full width brush. And it's one of the ones that's kind of curved. They are my favorite. So I don't mind that it's short. I don't care how long it is, but I liked that it was a full-sized brush. And I know, unfortunately, this was only available in the US and Canada. Maybe I should just keep it there and do all of my unboxing stuff on a cookbook. Okay, customization 5. I chose the, what do they call them? The Neighbor Goods Fresh Herbs set of 3 sponge cloths. And they showed you washing your dishes. I don't wash my dishes with them. I clean my counters with them. I wipe up with them if there's a mess. You just get it wet, and instead of having to use paper towels over and over again, you can use these. You can even throw them in the dishwasher to wash them. It's a set of 3. Here, it should be easy to take off. I can show you. Yeah. So we have the basil, the dill. That is super pretty. And then we have the mint, also super pretty. These were a little, several of you guys pointed out, and I don't disagree at all, these were a little springy. But still, I look at anything that's kitchen-y as kind of fall winter, because I do so much more cooking in the fall and winter that anything that's kitchen-y, I'm kind of like, okay, I'll give you a pass on that, because I do a lot more cooking, thus a lot more cleaning up. This had an $18 value. And my choice in customization 6 is the Haps O'Day toilet. Well, it's just a toilet spray. Actually, is it? Because I remember after I read it, I thought, oh, or is it just a room spray? Shake before each use, spray 3 to 5 times into the toilet. So yes, it is a toilet spray. It's like poopery. Actually, it says you can do the toilet bowl or just in the air in the restroom. Let's see if I can undo this and smell it. I don't want to spray toilet spray in my video room. Oh, that's nice. I have to tell you, I don't know how it's going to work, but that smells better than any poopery I have ever smelled. No joke. This smells very, very nice. The spoiler didn't tell us what they think it smells like. Well, there's a picture of flowers on the front, so they must think it smells like flowers. Those were my 6 customization choices. This is the little mystery bundle. Does it have a, yep, 2404 Miss-006. And like I said, I think it's $24.99 now. I've got my hand wrapped around something that feels like it might be a hair product. I haven't seen any of this. This is my surprise. I did my huge mega mystery bundle when I did my add-ons a few days ago in a video. No surprises there. Oh my gosh, what is this? Living Proof Clarifying Detox Shampoo. That's awesome. This is more than whatever this mystery bundle is. I can tell you that right now. Deeply cleanses and removes product buildup. I love having a clarifier around just to use. I don't use a lot of products, so I only use this once a month or so, but still, I'm happy to do that. Oh yeah, it smells just like a living proof product would smell. It smells delicious. Okay, what else do we have? Socks. We like socks. Oh, they're cotton. They're not fluffy socks. Oh, they're gorgeous. Oh, my mom would probably love these. They're all pink and burgundy based. They're so pretty. What are they? Summer and Rose heel socks. Includes 5 pairs. They're all really, really pretty. That one is just, so in between each one we have a solid, and then, actually that's 2 solids, so, and then that, and then the other solid, which is a pretty burgundy, and then, well, I can show you this one from the side, that pink. These are super cute, and they look like they would be tight. I was telling you guys the other day, I like it when a sock is tight. Fits shoe sizes 6 to 10. So I basically lay right in the middle of that. These are super pretty. And it is sock season. I have nothing on my feet right now, and I'm kind of sad about that because it's cool outside. And last out, we have luggage tags. Oh, it's fun. That is what it looks like. Those are super, super cute. Perfect for traveling, so you'll know which one is yours. We have the cherry, and what does the other say? Adventure awaits. Well, that's fun. Something that I probably wouldn't buy myself. Actually, my girls travel by plane more than I do because I'm terrified, but each one of them might like one of these to put on their luggage, so it just makes it so much easier to see which one is yours. That's kind of a fun mystery set, right? I got the Living Proof Clarifying Shampoo, way more than covered the price of the bundle, and I'm happy to have it. 5 pair of Summer and Rose socks, which I like that they're not. We always get the fluffy ones, and they're nice. But I'm kind of glad to have some not fluffy ones, and I love those colors. And then luggage tags. Winner. I'm going to go ahead with the weirdness that has been going on this season. I'm counting this mystery bundle as a winner. Let me know what you guys think. So these are my 6 FabFitFun choices. This was my mystery bundle. If you have any questions about FabFitFun, let me know below. If I can help, I certainly will. I appreciate you guys taking the time to be here, to come over to the channel and check it out. As we go into the end of the year, I don't know what it's associated with. The end of the year, the end of the fiscal, the end of the quarter, the holiday season. Be aware, and I'm not speaking just for me, you guys watching me. It's also who I watch and everybody else you watch. Be aware of your subscriptions on YouTube, because this is the time of year, every year. I've been doing this for, I think this is my 6th or 7th year. I think it's my 6th year. Every year between like mid-November and mid-January, randomly, YouTube will unsubscribe you to people that you follow, that you watch every day. It has happened to me multiple times. So this is the time of year. If you've noticed somebody that you've always watched has just kind of disappeared, that's probably why. YouTube, for some reason, they like decide you don't need to see them anymore. I think probably their algorithm is supposed to recognize whether you really watch them before it does it, but that's not the case, because I follow Acre Homestead, and at this time last year, I watch her every other day. She puts up a video every other day, and I watch it every other day. It unsubscribed me from her. So I'm just saying, those of us out there watching people or making content, just be aware of who you're watching and the fact that they might disappear. Weird rant. Okay. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I hope you are having a fantastic fall, and I will see you again really soon. Take care.